Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty's Joy Forever. Warmly welcome. In today's video, we are diving into the world of holiday magic with a unique twist. Pine cone Christmas tree decoration. So dear viewers, if you are looking to add a touch of nature to your festives, you are in the right place. First up, let's talk about creating a stunning display. Utilize your pine cones by spray painting them with metallic colors like gold and silver for a personalized touch. Turn your pine cones into custom ornaments. Now, let's step into the trend of rustic holiday vibe. Arrange the pine cones in a rustic baskets or vintage crate to create a cozy centerpiece. This not only serves as a beautiful decoration but also aligns with the rustic Christmas decor. So dear viewers, and there you have it, pinecone Christmas tree decoration that blend tradition with trending holiday. Whether you are aiming for a modern, rustic, or DIY vibe, pine cones offer endless possibilities. So, dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more holiday inspiration. And let me know in the comments box which idea you are excited to try. Wishing you a season filled with joy, creativity, and pine cone magic. Until next time, happy decorating. So, dear viewers, keep my videos and subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and family member also. So, dear viewers, I suggest you to watch my video till end. Thanks for watching. Take care.